Tag have all battled their way to the final chase and banked an incredible $660,000. But you know you cannot take that money home just yet. Now you have to outrun the chaser one last time. Here's how it works. You'll have 2 minutes to answer as many questions as you can. With each correct answer, you'll move one step away from the chaser. The chaser will have the same amount of time to catch you. If he does, you'd be going home with nothing. But if he can't catch you, then you'll each take home an equal share of the money. And if my math serves me, that's $220,000 apiece. Because there are 3 of you who made it to the final chase, you'll actually have a 3-step head start, which gives you an advantage over the chaser. For $660,000, the final chase is on. Put 2 minutes on the clock. Good luck. Your time starts now. What film character got his name when George Lucas played on the words dark and father?
Right.
Darth Vader.
Correct. Facebook Sheryl Sandberg urges female empowerment.
Lean in.
Correct. Fittingly, thousands of protesters walked from Selma to Montgomery in what month of 1965?
Right.
March.
Correct. What magazine ends every issue with a celebrity answering the Proust questionnaire?
Is. Vanity Fair?
Correct. Wrigleyville is a neighborhood in what Midwest?
Is. Chicago.
Correct. Rudbeckia hirta are flowers commonly known as black-eyed what?
Eva.
Susans? Correct. The 3 kings of blues guitar are Albert, Freddie, and what third man?
Is. BB? BB King?
Correct. In 2020, Paul Davison and Rohan Seth created what social networking app?
Right.
Pass.
Clubhouse. The Fumblerooski is a trick play in what sport?
Right.
Football.
Correct. In a standard game of Monopoly, how much does it cost to buy Boardwalk?
Is. 200.
$400. Lee Radziwill was the younger sister of what first lady?
Is. Jackie Kennedy.
Correct. What volcanic island is called the lighthouse of the Mediterranean?
Eva.
Etna? Stromboli. Someone who is elated is said to be on cloud what?
Right.
9.
Correct. In 1844, what inventor sent the first electric telegraph message?
Right.
Morse.
Correct. What part of a cow is used for tacos de lengua?
Right.
Tongue.
Correct. What Shakespeare character says, get thee to a nunnery?
Right.
Hamlet.
Correct. At roughly 22 months, what land mammal is pregnant the longest?
Right.
Elephant.
Correct. Kimigayo is the national anthem of what country?
Right.
South Korea.
Japan. Harvey Milk owned a store in San Francisco called?
Is. Pass.
Camera. Scoop Away is a popular brand of what?
Right.
Catlin.
Correct. Snifter and Stange are 2 types of what?
Right.
Glass.
Correct. Aurora is the first name of what Disney
Is.
princess?
Sleeping Beauty.
Correct. What ABC sitcom is a continuation of Roseanne?
Eva.
The Connors. Correct. What Japanese word translates to harbor wave?
Eva.
Nope.
No.
That's on me. That's on me.
I'm sorry, that was the wrong player, but you got 18 correct, which gives you a 21-step lead on the chaser.
This is the strongest team we've seen all season. Glad it's James out there.
Yeah, he will certainly have to earn this one.
What did you think of that, chaser?
I think 21's right in the fun zone. Should be a real close match.
Okay. Well, will that 21-step lead be enough for them to hold on to the money? It's all or nothing in the final chase. Welcome back. We are in the middle of the final chase. Our team has managed to put themselves 21 steps ahead of the chaser, and there's $660,000 on the line. And now it's the chaser's turn to try to catch you. And remember, if he does catch you, you'll lose it all. And you'll walk out of here with nothing. But you do have an advantage. Anytime the chaser answers a question incorrectly, we'll stop the clock, and you'll have a chance to answer that same question. If you get it right, you will push the chaser back 1 step, and the more pushbacks, the better your chances of winning are. Now, High Roller, for $660,000, are you ready to catch them?
Like I'm skydiving without a parachute. Let's do this.
Okay, the final chase is on. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock. The time starts now. What tournament debuted in 1877 at the All England Croquet
Wimbledon.
Correct. Sam Bluesman Taylor provided the whistling at the end of what Otis Redding hit?
Dock of the Bay.
Correct. What is the name of the parallel universe on Netflix Stranger Things?
The Upside Down.
Correct. In the U.S. Senate, what 7-letter procedure puts a time limit on debates?
Cloture.
Correct. Seward's Day is an official holiday in what U.S. state?
Alaska.
Correct. What finger food do guests eat on the hit YouTube series Hot Ones?
Wings.
Correct. Belmont and Vanderbilt are universities located in what southern
Tennessee.
Stop the clock. Belmont and Vanderbilt are universities located in what southern U.S. city?
Yeah, they're both in Nashville.
Nashville.
The correct answer is Nashville. You will push the chaser back 1 step. You have 16 steps to catch the team, 1:28 on the clock. Your time starts again. Now, who won a Grammy at the age of 9 for Brown Skin Girl?
Pass.
Stop the clock.
Blue Ivy Carter. Blue Ivy Carter?
The correct answer is Blue Ivy Carter. So you will be pushing the chaser back 1 more step. Time starts again. Now, in baseball, an easy-to-catch fly ball is called a can of what?
Corn.
Correct. What global event is observed in the U.S. every April 22nd?
Earth Day.
Correct. The Sport Loop is an accessory for what Apple product?
iPad.
Stop the clock.
Was it the Apple Watch?
Apple Watch.
The Apple Watch?
The correct answer is Apple Watch. Yes! You will be pushing the chaser back 1 step. You have 16 steps. Your time starts again. Now, the stock market term ETF stands for Exchange Traded
Fund.
What? Correct. Playa Girón was the site of what 1961 U.S. invasion in Cuba?
Bay of Pigs.
Correct. Who was the first female head writer for Saturday Night
Tina
Live?
Fey.
Correct. In Spain, what ad mascot is known as Don Limpio?
Pass.
Stop the clock.
Don Limpio,
no
Mr.
idea. So-
Is it Mr. Peanut? Is it Limpio Peanut?
Yeah,
Do
that
it.
sounds right to me. I like
Mr.
that.
Peanut.
The correct answer is Mr. Clean. So we won't be pushing the chaser back.
That was
You
a really
have
good guess, though.
13 steps to catch the team, 55 seconds on the clock. Your time starts again. Now, the Sibs are Olympic medalists in what event?
Sailing.
Stop the clock.
I don't know which one, but it's ice skating. It's figure skating.
Figure skating works for me.
Figure skating.
The correct answer is ice dancing. So we will not be doing a pushback. Your time starts again. Now, Gatorland is an amusement park in what U.S. state?
Florida.
Correct. The clothing brand name FUBU stands for what 4 words?
bias.
Correct. What is California's official state flower?
Poppy.
Correct. Vidalia, Georgia has a museum devoted to
Onion.
what? Correct. What zodiac sign is represented by a bow and arrow?
Sagittarius.
Correct. What color is the spark featured in Walmart's logo?
Yellow.
Correct. An adult male goose is called a what?
Gander.
Correct. Blackstrap is a type of what?
Molasses.
Biscuit? Correct. The official language of Pakistan are English and what?
Urdu.
Correct. Cast members of the Mickey Mouse Club are called what?
Musketeers.
Correct. What is the last word of the Star Spangled Banner?
Brave.
Correct. Jewelry mark 925 denotes it is made of what material?
Gold.
Stop the clock.
Do you know?
It's like silver.
Do it.
Yeah. Do you?
Sterling silver.
The correct answer is sterling silver. You will be pushing the chaser back. You have 3 steps to catch the team, 9 seconds on the clock. Your time starts again. Now, who wrote the novel Their Eyes Were Watching God?
Zornia Hurston.
Correct. What McDonald's sandwich was a bun that's steamed, not toasted?
McRib.
Stop the clock.
Maybe fillet of fish? I don't
That's a
really
good guess.
know.
I mean, I
But,
have
like,
no
you could
idea.
easily-
We're going to say fillet of fish.
The correct answer is filet o fish. So you are pushing the chaser back 1 step. You have 3 steps to catch the team, 4 seconds on the clock. Your time starts again. Now, prior to becoming Chief Justice himself, John Roberts clerked for what justice?
That was a great game.
Once again, 10 seconds to go. That game was in doubt.
Yeah, absolutely.
Congratulations! That is $660,000. $220,000 for each of you. I want to ask you guys what you're thinking.
I don't even know. My brain is now off. It is officially off.
You guys are amazing, the two of
You're
you.
amazing.
We do not do this unless it's all 3 of us.
No, exactly. It's a total team effort. You don't take down James Holzhauer without it being a team effort.
Now, High Roller, what do you say? That was such an impressive round, and you, were snapping away there.
I let him get away, but, this is as good a team as I'm ever going to lose to. Congratulations, guys.
Okay.
Thanks, James.
In incredible. Our 3 challengers have beat the chaser. And remember, the only way to win is to outrun your competition and never look back. See you next time on The Chase.